Hello and welcome to Tech Freak TV. My name is Paul. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Panasonic HC V520 camcorder. It's going to be the camcorder that I'll be using for the rest of my YouTube videos. So let's get to it. Hello again. So here we have the Panasonic V520 camcorder. It is Wi-Fi enabled. It films in the AV-CHD progressive format. It has 80 times intelligent zoom, 50 times optical zoom. It has the wide angle 28mm lens. It's got the 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization, and for still pictures it's a 10 megapixel camera. It also has the 3-inch touch screen. On the side of the box, it shows you some of the products that you can get for this camcorder. On the back, it just tells you that it does come with the HD writer editing software included. Okay, so let's get the box open. Okay, first off, we've got some literature. So there it is, that's the HD Writer 5.0 software. You've also got operating instruction manual, so that's on disk if you wanted to install that. Okay, so it's included. Okay, so you've got your warranty, product registration card. Okay, you've got a small basic operating instruction guide. You've got a Wi-Fi connection guide, and you've also got a live cast instruction guide as well for home monitoring. Okay, so here. Okay, this is the battery. Here is the battery, and it is a 3.6 volt 1940 milliamp hour battery. Stick that to one side. Okay, here we have the camcorder, but I'll come back to that in 1 second. See what else we've got in the box. Okay, here we have the charger. Looks like it's a 2-part charger. Yep, so there's the pin, and there must be the adapter part that goes into there. Yep, so there we go. It's a 3-pin plug. Let's take the protector off. So obviously 2 of those go together. That's your charging, and then that must plug into the camcorder. What else do we have here? I can get it out. There we go. Yeah, it's the HDMI cable, so that's handy. It comes with the HDMI, so you can connect that directly into your TV. And last bit in the box, we have the USB cable. So there you have the USB cable as well. Alright, now the bit that we've been waiting for. There we go. That is really nice. I know it hasn't got the battery in it, but the weight of that is really, really light. It does feel nice in the hand. So there we go. Once again, it's 80 times intelligent zoom. It's got the 28mm wide angle lens, 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilization, and it's got 10 megapixel stills. If we move around to the top, there is your zoom, and at the back that's the camera button. That's the battery compartment. There's your record button on the side. Right, yep, there's your charging port. So it's a nice little sliding door. Just open it up to charge it. The good thing with this one, it is automatic shutter. So when you open the viewfinder or when you turn it on and off, It's an auto shutter, so you haven't got to worry about wearing away a switch. And there's the 3-inch screen. It does rotate, so obviously if you want to see what you're recording, you can turn it that way around. So there we have the unboxing. Thanks for watching my video. Any comments or suggestions, please leave them down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.